My dear students, how to write a speech. Speech is a very important part of our board exams, and writing speech, delivering speech is a very essential feature. First and foremost, when we are writing a speech, the introductions open when the students is greeting the honorable principal sirs and the teachers and giving his self introduction. In a speech also, you can also give your heading also on the topic what you want to speak on. Generally, a speech is an interaction between the speaker and the audience. So at the very first juncture, he has to strike a chord between his speech and the audience, so that the audience are thoroughly involved in the speech. You can also open the speech with the anecdotes and quotations. The main thing on which a speaker should concentrate while delivering the speeches is the arguments, examples, definitions, details, comparison, conclusion, statistics, quotation, etc. In the end, in the speech, you have to raise awareness to the audience. You have to warn them, caution them, tell them to think about the particular situation, how they will act in the particular situation, and the final goodbye. Before you are delivering the speech, the first and foremost thing is you should brainstorm the ideas. Brainstorming the ideas means you should collect the ideas on what particular ideas you are going to speak. Then you should collect all those ideas and then started to speak what is the particular heading you are going to give for the speech, in what manner you are going to address principal sir and honorable teachers, how you are going to interact with the audience, how you are making sure that the audience play a very critical and pivotal role in engaging with the topic you are addressing or adhering to, and what type of quotation, anecdotes, examples, conclusion, description, definitions, arguments, details, and realistic approach, how you are able to collect all those things, and finally how you are going to warn the audience about particular through your speech, for example, about the menace of coronavirus, how it should be curbed, combated, controlled, why the vaccine is very necessary, how you should make aware about the personal hygiene, why wearing mask, cleaning your hands, remaining in your house, don't venturing outside the house, don't mingling with the people who are from the affected areas, how to personally quarantine yourself if you are affected by coronavirus. So these all are the things which you can use in the speech and can deliver in the speech. And finally, you should say goodbye in the speech. The main emphasis of the speech is it should be error-free, no grammatical mistake. It should be coherent, cohesive. It should have the proper rubrics to follow. The contours of speech is that it should not have any grammatical mistake. There should be subject work agreement when you have to get your voice notation.